Let's understand how to create a ABAP package in the ABAP S/4HANA cloud. So in this, we will be going ahead and selecting the ABAP perspective in the Windows, and once we do that, we'll be going ahead with in the ABAP perspective we need to go for new, and in this new option we need to go ahead and select the ABAP cloud project. So once we select the ABAP cloud project and created that, inside that we need to create the ABAP package. So inside the cloud package we are creating a package called ZSD400, and then I'm creating some description, any description is fine, ABAP package, and then we'll go ahead with the so these are the two details that we have to be giving, and after giving that we need to click on the next. So click on the next, and after clicking on the next we need to go ahead with the software component, and we need to click on browse. So after clicking on browse you have to select the Z local and say OK. Once we do that, we need to click on next again. And here we need to create our own request. If we already have an existing request, we can select that. Otherwise we have to click on new request, create new request. We have to select this option, create new request here. So once we select that, create new request, we are giving some name, request name, and we need to click on finish. After clicking on finish, our package will be successfully created. And then now if we go ahead and see here, we'll have this choose H01. This is the project that we have. If you open that, we'll have the favorite packages. In the favorite packages we can add the package that we have created just now. We need to click on the add package, and after that we need to go ahead and search for the package that we just now created. This is a package and we will search for it. Once it's accessible, you can select that and click on OK. After clicking on OK, that this package will be added in our favorite packages, so that the next time when we create something, we don't have to search for our package. It is already there in the favorite packages. That's it in this session.